So what is the use of the Freeform app on the iPhone? So let me quickly explain what it does and how you can use it. If it's your first time here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So the Freeform app has appeared on the iPhone quite recently. It hasn't always been the case. It hasn't always been part of the iPhone, but this is what it looks like. It's like made officially by Apple, so it's free. You don't have to use any account to start using it, and it is basically a infinite canvas or whiteboard app. So the purpose of the app is for productivity and creativity, for planning, collaboration, and brainstorming. It's like an app designed to draw things as you go, right? Because you can also do different things in, like, for example, in the Notes app, right? But in there, you just write text into the lines, right? It's similar like when you're writing a document, but inside of the Freeform app, you don't have any lines or anything to stick to. You basically just add elements to the white canvas as you please, right? So you can basically just add like an image there. You can add a sticker, some text. You can use the markup tool to draw something. Like you can add the sticker notes or write with your finger, and you can just kind of like connect the dots as you go. And it just serves a completely different purpose. Like you can still use different apps for productivity and planning, but this one is unique because you don't have anything basically limiting you. You don't have any lines or anything like that. So I sometimes use the app, but to be honest, it's probably more useful on the iPad, especially with the Apple Pencil being used there. But on the iPhone it works too. Obviously it's available on the Mac as well. So yeah, all of the syncing and iCloud, it all works and applies to this app as well. So let me know if you gave the app a try or what you think about it. I'm not sure how many people actually use it on a day-to-day basis, so let me know what you think. Subscribe for more quick tips and guides like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later.